Hello everyone. Today I make the video how to change in the transmission fluid and filter for 2004 to 2006 Lexus RX330. So here dirt cover underneath to get the access to the transmission drain plug right here. So now I have to drain the transmission fluid first, and then I'll remove the transmission pan. With 4 bolts in here, 4 bolts in here. Very hard to get it, so I'll show you how to get the tool to replace it.
Mornings on 102.7 Kiss FM.
Number 10. One right here. Hope you guys see it. One right here, and one right here, and one right here, and one right here. That's for 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's hard to move it. Have to remove. Some guy says using the offset wrench, but it doesn't help. Okay, I show you. It help only right here. You can remove this bowl. It's fine. You can remove this bowl. It's okay with this brand, but with this bowl you cannot. See, look. See how it doesn't work, because it touch the frame. See, it touch the frame, cannot use it. See, so a better way, I get this wrench from AutoZone. It's number 10. They have extra lift. They have extra lift right here. It's very easy to get in there, and little ratchet too, so easy to remove. So this bolt we have to use the offset wrench, because if I use my ratchet, it touch to the frame. I cannot get the tool out, so I use offset wrench. See, one bolt out. Okay, the second one. Okay, put one finger to hold the ratchet, and one I remove the wrench. So open it. second one out. Okay, the third one. Okay, third one out. Okay, the fourth one. Fourth one. Okay. Okay, a fourth one out. That four hard one. See, now it's the easy one out here.